Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Windows PC to host Mac OS so Mainstage can run. First, free up resources. Allocate at least 8 CPU threads and 16 GB RAM and reserve 100 GB SSD. Next, install virtualization software and add the Mac OS installer image. This lets you boot native Mac OS in a controlled environment. Once done, enable VTX or AMDV in your BIOS and configure USB pass-through, so MIDI controllers and audio interfaces will be visible inside the Mac OS VM. After the VM is configured, boot the Mac OS installer and complete system setup like a real Mac. Make sure to format the VM disk as apps and assign adequate GPU memory for GUI responsiveness. Next, sign in with your Apple ID and open the App Store to download Mainstage. You may need to purchase or redeem it. Once installed, install or allow any third-party audio drivers and grant microphone and MIDI permissions so devices function correctly. Make sure to restart the VM after driver installation. Now configure Mainstage for live use. Open Audio MIDI Setup and choose your interface. Set buffer to 64,256 samples and sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz to balance latency and stability. Then map MIDI controls, load patches, and test audio routing. Make sure aggregate devices are created if using multiple inputs. If something goes wrong, check USB pass-through. Lower software instrument polyphony and reinstall audio interface drivers inside the VM. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.